So what are you seeing with the market? What do you think? Because you have some really, really awesome, beautiful, kind of high-end homes.
I do.
That are listed. And then you have some others that are selling really fast now too. So what are you seeing in the high-end?
The high-end, we're still getting showings. There's still interest out there. I know it's a new world. You know, I've been in real estate now over 7 years, and I remember $1 million houses. That was just unheard of, right? And now I have, 3 listings right now for $1 million. Right. So it was just something that wasn't out there. But there are still clients coming. There's people coming. And, when I do my marketing for my $1 million plus houses, all these high-end homes, we really try to focus on areas we know people are coming in from. Because I do think there's some upward movement here in Cheyenne, people moving up, but I do think most of the people coming to look at these high-end homes are coming from Colorado or coming from California or Oregon or Washington. So I kind of, I do my marketing. I really focus on some of those areas. But yeah, we are getting showings. Obviously, that's a price point that not everybody is comfortable with or able to do. So as far as buyers, it's not as many. My homes that fit in some of those lower price ranges are definitely, we're getting multiple offers on things. And we've talked about this often in our meetings. If we price these houses right, there's just no reason for them to sit too long, I don't think.
Right.
That's a big deal. And so kind of what I'm feeling right now is kind of a struggle between sellers and buyers. I think sellers, we're still kind of living in that overpriced range. You know what I mean? So I do feel like from seller's perspective, we want to get every dollar we can out of that, but we're kind of sitting high on some of these things. But I also think from a buyer, we're not understanding that we're getting multiple offers again. You can't ask for the world on these houses. If you really want to get in and get that house at some of these price ranges, you got to put in your best offer. Don't be messing around with, and that's not the case in all of them, but that would be my advice is talk to your agent about the price ranges. Let's see what's happening because they're all so different. You can't say about the market as a whole, this is what's happening. I just think it's with the price ranges, it's different.